niyo ang bola sa right side mo. Ayan. When the music stops, kung sino man yung may hawak ng bola. Okay. Ready na ba lahat? Ready na ba? Okay. Tanungin ko si Kuya Logan if ready na ba siya. Kuya Logan, are you ready? Yes. Yes. How about Kuya Sir? Are you ready? Yes. Alright. How about our birthday celebrant? Ari Maxine, are you ready? Yes. Okay, Kuya Hamadi. Ready na kasi Kuya Hamadi? Yes, ready. Alright, are you guys ready na lahat? Let's start our game. In 3, 2, 1, go! Jolly town, theme park is open, Jollibee, and friends are coming, fun rides are moving, golden lights are dancing, Jolly town, theme park, here we come. Anywhere the kids are excited, all of the rides are filling smiles and laughter. Ate Ani! Hindi lang yan ang baon ni Jollibee para kay Ate Maxine. Dahil meron din siyang inihadang 3 wish para sa ating celebrant. Wow! Okay, for your first wish, Jollibee, si Ate Maxine lalaking matalino at malakas! Ate Ali! Ate Ali! 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 Ako for your second wish, Jollibee, si Ate Maxine lalaking may malinis na